Okay, that's all the ceilings raked out now. Hopefully you can see those. That's where we need to be. As I said, there's a lot of cracks in there and it is going to start looking much worse before it will start looking any better. So the next stage with this lot would be P.V.A glue in it, and then using this fibre tape. This is the extra sticky one. I like using that because it stays up there in between getting your filler on and you putting it actually on the ceiling. The white stuff seems to want to fall off. I've put a bit of it as well just in this area here, which was P.V.A'd yesterday, just to make it a bit more stable. I haven't done it here because it's such a big hole, but this is pressed right back into the brickwork, and when we fill this, I'll put the bonding coat in there. Hopefully it'll just give us a bit more stability. Same with that hole, it's just a bit too big, and I can't get the tape all the way in. P.V.A glue. Okay, we're going to be using this Thompson's Universal P.V.A. What I tend to do with that is just put a bit in a kettle like that with a bit of water, so it just helps the workability of this stuff. I'm going to be applying it with this brush, dust sheet wherever you're working, because it might get a bit splashy, and then brush in like we're painting and just work the P.V.A into the areas. This will just stabilise all of this and really help us repair this lave and plaster. Work it right in. We'll be putting a tape over the top of this. We'll do another video then, and then filling over the top of that with some easy fill to that on the wall and right up into that ceiling crack. Trying just to get it on both edges of that channel that we dug out earlier. And this is how you repair these the right way. I need to do this to all of the cracks, not just one or two. We'll be doing it to all of them and working it as well into the cracks on the coving. Quite important job this, so try not to miss it out if you're doing a task like this one. You don't want to be cutting any corners. Rome was not built in a day. It's going to take time. Do it right. Okay, now I'm going to carry on and I'm going to get this P.V.A into all of these cracks. And then I'll do another video when I am putting in the fibre tape.